Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix repost option not showing on TikTok. So if you guys experiencing issues where the repost button is not showing on your TikTok, so this video I'm going to show you a few potential solutions to fix it. So first, you need to make sure that the TikTok apps on your device is updated because sometimes the absence of features like the repost options can occur due to an outdated app. So you can just update the TikTok app through the App Store if you are using iOS or Play Store for Android. So you can just go to the store and search for TikTok, and then you can just click on update if there is any update available. Second one, you can check your account type because the repost feature may only be available to certain accounts or regions because TikTok sometimes roll out features gradually. So make sure your account is not restricted in any way. You can check your account settings to make sure there are no limitations. The third one, if you are using TikTok on mobile, clearing the cache can help resolve issues with TikTok's functionality. So what you need to do is just open the TikTok apps and then tap on your profile. Tap the three lines or the menu icon at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find the clear cache option. This one, free up space, and tap on clear on the cache options here, but it's still calculating. Okay, now click on clear, confirm. Okay, after that you can just restart the app. So just close this first and then reopen it again. And next, you can also try to just reinstall the TikTok. So if the issue is still there, you can try reinstalling the app because this can help if the app's file have become corrupted or if they are missing updates. You can just uninstall it first from your device and then reinstall it again from the App Store. Next, you can also check for the feature rollout because TikToks often test new feature with a limited set of users, and if it is not appearing, it may not be available in your region or for your account yet. You can just keep an eye on TikTok's official social media channels for announcement about features rollouts. And you can also check for restriction in your regions because some features might be region specific. You can also try to just use a VPN to see if the features become available in other regions. Next, you can also just try to log out your account first because sometimes by simply logging out your TikTok account and log back in, it can fix small glitches. But if none of the previous method works, you can just reach out to the TikTok team support and report the problem. And so guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.